Hello, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Pauna mensahe ni Taurus ay Tortoise. Ayan, you're too fragmented, so do whatever it takes to get grounded. Taurus, ang iba sa inyo dito, all over the place. Maybe you are multitasking at all times, marami kayong pinagkakabalahan, marami kayong ginagawa, marami kayong trabaho, no? Kaya fragmented kayo, no? Yung parang all over the place talaga kayo, litong-lito, something like that. So, do whatever it takes to get grounded. Yun ang panawagan sa inyo dito para naman kayo ay makabalik na sa sentro, may balik ninyo sa balanse ang inyong sarili. Okay? We have the energy of the mouse. You're overlooking some important details. So, pay closer attention to what's going on. Okay? So, dito naman, maaaring meron na kayo na overlook dahil nga fragmented kayo, dahil nga you're all over the place. So wala kayo sa focus. Marami sigurong mga bagay-bagay na din sa buhay ninyo, Taurus, ang hindi ninyo napapansin, hindi ninyo nabibigyan ng oras, panahon, atensyon. Kaya this is a heads up for you, no? This is a reminder para sa iyo na tignan din ninyo ang ibang parte ng buhay ninyo because meron na kayong mga nanineglect na mga importanteng bagay. Okay? Falcon, act on the opportunity that's before you and commit to it without equivocation. Ayan. So, act on the opportunity that's right beside you, no? Right in front of you. Kasi, before it slips away from you, Taurus, bigyan na ninyo ito ng oras, panahon, atensyon. Okay? Because, di ba, yung opportunity knocks but once, may kasabihang ganon. Kaya habang nandiyan dyan, pansinin nyo na, no? Kunin nyo na. Kung ayaw ninyo, kung hindi pasok sa criteria ninyo or hindi yan ang kailangan ninyo, then that's when you decide. But for now, tignan nyo muna, no? Examine nyo muna because you never know, baka yan na ang hinihintay ninyong breakthrough. We have, you will manifest what you need. Napakaganda, napakaganda. This is a very powerful time para sa inyo because you are going to manifest kung ano man ang kailangan ninyo sa ngayon. Express gratitude as if your plans have already come to pass. Trust that your angels are bringing you the assistance that you need. So, tutulungan kayo dito ng universe and the angels, you know, para ma-carry out ninyo kung ano man yung mga gusto ninyong mangyari sa buhay ninyo. So, that's really beautiful. Archangel Michael is with you now. Taurus, you're so blessed. You're so lucky. Archangel Michael is with you. Binabantayan ka, ginagwardyahan ka, no? Ginagabayan ka. Even though you can't see it, I am actively working on this situation. I am here and helping you. See? Kung ano man ang challenging situation, no, na nararanasan or na-experience ninyo right at this time, Taurus, huwag kayong mag-alala, no? That will pass. That will pass. Malalagpasan ninyo yan. Nandito si Archangel Michael kasama ninyo, tinutulungan kayo sa inyong sitwasyon para malusutan ninyo yan, masolusyonan kung ano man ang merong problema. You are protected, no? You are safe within my bubble of light. You can proceed with confidence and this is the message, no, for you from Archangel Michael na wala kayong dapat na ipag-alala. You really have nothing to fear. You have nothing to worry about because you are divinely protected. Archangel Michael talagang binabakuran kayo, no, sa kanyang blue sapphire sword of light at pinoprotektahan kayo. Hindi lang ginagwardyahan to make you safe, but you are also being divinely guided. Ace of Cups, beautiful energy. This is a new beginning energy. At napakaganda nito na Ace of Cups na to because may mga blessings na parating sa inyo. Maraming biyayang parating sa inyo dito. At ang maganda rito kung ano ang biyayang ibibigay sa inyo ng Divine Universe, yun ang mga bagay, sitwasyon na kailangan ninyo or even mga tao na kailangan ninyo sa buhay ninyo. So, whatever you need right now, that will be met. Yan ang promise ng Ace of Cups. Yung mga blessings na to could be anything. That could be love, no? That could be abundance of energy, that could be abundance of money, opportunities. That could be anything. No, that could be anything. So, what else? We have Five of Swords. Ayan. So, dito naman sa Five of Swords, maybe this is a loss of someone. You know, maaaring kaibigan ninyo, kapamilya, kaibigan. Maaaring na wala ito sa buhay ninyo. This could be pansamantala lang. Because maybe there is a disagreement between the two of you, no? Siguro merong hindi magandang pag-uusap, no? May hindi magandang resulta ang naging pag-uusap ninyo ng kung sino man ito sa buhay ninyo. Kaya this person maybe, or you maybe walked away, no, from someone, or baka yung someone na yun ang nag-walk away from you. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Kung siguro yung isa sa inyo nakapagsalita ng hindi maganda, at hindi naging maganda ang reception ng kung sino man sa inyo, kaya maaaring nag-walk away kayo, and maybe out of galit, or alam mo yun, yung biglaang yung impulse ninyo, no? Maaaring galit talaga kayo, kaya siguro sinabi ninyo or inisip ninyo na hindi na kayo muling makikipag-usap sa person na yon, ano? So maybe gano'n ang ganap dito, kaya feeling ninyo you have lost someone. Pero what I'm picking up here is this is just very temporary, no? This is just very temporary. Kapag humupa na ang tension between the two of you, kapag bumaba na ang galit, ang mga emosyon, it feels like to me that there would be a time na mag-uusap din kayo at aayusin ninyo kung ano man ang hindi ninyo napagkaintindihan. Ten of Cups. Ayan. So, this is happy home. This is domestic bliss. This is domestic happiness. So, posible, no, na yung kaalitan ninyo dito, naging kaalitan ninyo is member of your family. Maaring kapamilya ninyo ito, no? Maaring kapamilya ninyo. And with the Ten of Cups, no, kung meron man kayong kaaway, kagalit, may hindi kayo pagkakaintindihan with another person, lalo-lalo na kung kapamilya ninyo ito, now is the time that mag-uusap kayo, magkakaroon dito ng mending, no? Magkakaroon dito ng reconciliation, merong pag-uusap dito at magkakaayos kayo, and you're going to start a new chapter, no, sa inyong relationship bilang magkapamilya. Ten of Cups is about love, no, between family members, domestic happiness, harmony. Kung ano yung kailangan or kung ano yung gusto ninyong makuha dito or ma-enjoy, ay maaring nandiyan na. Kaya everyone is contented, satisfied, happy, fulfilled, no? Isang masayang pamilya. So, good luck, Taurus, and that's all I have for you for the week. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.